Hey guys, welcome to the 2016 Acura RDX spark plug replacement installation video. Here are some of the recommended tools that you'll be needing for this installation. First step is to remove the engine cover, and as you can see, all you have to do is just pull it up and it should just come out like that. Second step is to disconnect the spark plug coils. And these are where the spark plug coils are located. To disconnect them, simply just press at the tab located over here and pull. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the spark plug coils. To do that, we're going to need a 10mm socket. Next, we're going to remove the spark plug coils. To do that, simply just wiggle a little bit and pull out. It's just that easy. Then what I like to do is just take a look at the spark plug coils and make sure that there's no signs of oil on there, because if there is, then that's indicative of a head gasket leak. As I'm removing the spark plug coils, I like to put them on top of the engine cover in the same location as I removed them, so I know how to install them back. As you can see here. Next, we're going to work on removing the spark plugs. To do this, we're going to need a 5/8" spark plug socket. Here I like to use different size extensions for my socket wrench. Here I'm using the longer one, but you'll see later on I'm using two smaller extensions to help me get into tighter spots. And like with the spark plug coils, with the spark plugs, I like to inspect them after I remove them just to make sure that there's no oil residue around there. So that way I know that there's no head gasket leak. And now we can finally install the new spark plugs. Here I'm using the NGK Iridium IX Spark plugs. These are the direct OEM replacements that Acura used before. Purchase these at AutoZone, but you can basically purchase these at any of your local automotive stores, or you can go to Amazon.com as well and find them. Now these spark plugs already come pre-gapped, so there's no need for you to actually gap them. And here we're just going to use the same 5/8 inch spark plug socket, and that's how we're going to go ahead and reinstall these spark plugs. Now when you're tightening the spark plugs, I like to use a torque wrench and set it to 15 foot-pounds of torque, and just move it slowly and tighten it until it clicks, and then you're done. Next, we're going to reinstall the spark plug coils back in. I like to install the spark plug coils back in the same way I removed them. So if you remember how you place them on the engine cover, that's just how you're going to install them back in. And now we're just going to tighten the screws to the spark plug coils, and then when we're done, we're going to go ahead and connect the spark plug coils back up. To tighten the screws, we're going to use a 10mm socket. And finally, all we have to do is just reinstall the engine bay cover back in, and we're done.